It's summertime here in Canada, and I've always had this fantasy about living in the countryside and owning a farm. Well, I'm gonna purchase a farm today. Well, not quite, you see. My friend Jesse owns a farm. He lives out in the countryside. I'm gonna call him up and pay him a visit today to see what farm life is like. All right, come for the ride. Stay tuned. Nice sunny day, eh?
Oh, beautiful day. Nice and hot out.
I just got a chance to come and visit you today. Is today a good day?
Sure, yeah, no problem.
Finally on my way to Jesse now. I just made a quick pull over on the roadside here. All that hay, fields and fields of hay. Yeah, that's why we like the country. Just look at that, country life. Yeah, baby, look at that. And I could just keep swinging and going. I don't think this thing is ever gonna stop. I'll just keep going. Yeah! Yeah!
I just didn't want to carry him upside down for that long. This is my rooster.
Hey, buddy.
He's the man.
Hey.
Quack, quack, quack. My tiger. These little guys just hatched yesterday. They're little baby turkeys.
What sound they make?
Gobble, gobble, gobble.
Cool.
Got some fresh eggs in there.
Cool.
I just grab those out of there.
Yeah.
Like these, those will be good for breakfast. Oh yeah. Farm fresh. Yeah, just laid today. Mmm, farm fresh. Smells like a chicken's ass. Thanks, Mrs. Chicken. Quack, quack.
What sound does the bunny make?
Gotcha! 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 Gotcha!
We're here in southern Ontario, me and my buddy Jesse,
Haldeman County.
in the middle of a cornfield. This is the country life. Jesse, how many months ago you planted these corn?
June 8th,
And we are
July 27th.
so June to July. What? This is
Yeah.
like 6 weeks.
Yeah.
Is that right? 7 weeks. Stop. 6.5 weeks. And look at the height. These corns, they're like, how many more months before they're ready?
Winter time.
More like fall, right? Like November.
Yeah. Yeah.
Wow. So we got corn coming. We got eggs today. Now we got some corn in a few months.
Yeah, baby!
What made you realize that country living and country lifestyle is actually what you wanted for you and your family?
Born and bred, baby. Natural.
I don't know what that means.
Yeah, baby!
So yeah, you were saying country life, is just natural to you. And what are some of the pros having your own farm?
No neighbors.
Yeah, that.
Well, they're further away.
yeah,
You still have neighbors, but they're just further away.
yeah,
So if you want to run around your yard naked, you can.
less pollution. So cool and nice out here. Jesse, where are you?
Just over here.
Oh man, it's hot. Well, actually it's cool in the shade, but the sun is hot.
Beer? Or you want a popsicle?
Come on, buddy. I don't drink alcohol.
There you go. Have a popsicle.
No, I look like a wimp, but popsicle it is. No alcohol for me. Let's see, buddy. Cheers, buddy.
In case you stop by next time, this is what you bring, alright? Or whiskey. Same difference.
Our water, spring water. I see you got your own fire over here, eh?
Yep.
So you use these for like heating, cooking, and camping. Perfect.
Right. Roasted marshmallows, making s'mores. Everybody knows
Wow.
they love s'mores, right? Who doesn't like s'mores? Tell me. Who? I like s'mores. You like s'mores.
We like s'mores, yeah.
We like s'mores. The work never ends, man. Lots of grass cut.
Yeah.
Takes me at least 3 hours, sometimes longer to cut this yard.
Just to cut this yard. Eh?
Yeah.
We're not talking about the farm, just the
Yeah.
yard.
Oh, it's pretty hot today, Rick. You want a beer, popsicle, some water?
Water is fine, Jess. No beer.
Okay, here we go. How about popsicle? You want a popsicle?
Absolutely, buddy.
Okay. Hold on. Where is that?
Not a
We gotta get
popsicle.
around all the whiskey here. It's all full of whiskey. We got, the good stuff here, right?
Come on, man. No alcohol for me, alright?
Oh, yeah. Hot day like today, nothing beats a nice cold beer. You gonna ride this one, Ricky? The old 1982 Honda FT500? Yeah, baby! Let's fire this sucker up. Just gotta top up the oil in this thing. Has a slight leak because I gotta replace the gasket, but who's got time for that? Not me. Just fill her up. Then you know it's fresh, right? Fresh oil. Boom. There we go. Coming up the hole, see? Means it's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, baby! Put the screw back in. Ooh. Put the screw on there. Go for a little night ride, baby.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Yeah, baby!
Peace!
Oh, yeah.
This is how it's done. Thumbnail with the rooster and the chicken, and thing just pooed right all over my shirt. Huh? Oh man. How am I gonna get this, Jess? What am I gonna do now? I'm freaking out. You totally knew that would happen, eh?
Maybe.